Hey folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. This is 7 videos for Miss Vital Survival. Okay, first let's go down all these people. Okay, sorry, don't have that high tech yet. So check all these people out, especially the underground. Should buy more food. I should be in bed asleep, but this is important. I got to get things done. Check out Will just in time prepping. I don't know his schedule now. It's all kind of screwy. Okay. Getting old. Okay. Remember what I told you about these 3 cities? And everybody laughed at Uncle Al. Fine, I don't care. You're going to die anyway. Make sure you check out these fine folks right here. They're sometimes repeat what I have already. Okay. And these folks right here. Kayla's up top did a fine video. And please check out my friend David Lynn. All right. All these folks right here help out Happy Prepper and GM Survival. Now, the big thing is artsy. A lot of people say that the Bally song is outdated. No, it isn't. I have one around here. I can't find it. I have too many knives. They say one of these is outdated. Well, the problem is, if you know what you're doing with them, it's a fairly fast technical thing. But a lot of people think it's 100 years out of date. But that's their opinion. I don't want to argue with them. They think all this thumb studs is pretty good. Only problem is it's still a slip joint with a locking mechanism. Alright. Bally Song is 2 handles with hand pressure. Okay. I keep telling people that because I have a demonstration. I take a beef shank and I'll ram this in. Okay. Sometimes the joint will fail, even locked. It's faster, it's quicker, and a good hand with a handler. It's all up to a person's handling abilities. Okay. If he knows what he's doing with the knife. Alright. Uncle Al has to do it slow because I have damage to my hands and I have to do it slowly so he can catch it. Alright, so but that's their opinion. I don't mind. I find it always interesting. So please make sure you check out Artsy. Okay, she's a handler. She knows how to do it a lot faster and a lot better than Uncle Alan, and go check out her site. Okay, I'm a little bit tired, a little bit slow too. Remember, nothing is normal anymore. Don't trust no one, especially the media. And everybody remember what I said about number 3. Puppets, string, manipulators, and puppet masters. Okay? Now we're having a little time period. 1 second. I should be in bed resting, but this is way too important for Miss Vital Survival. I'm going with the last old school survival, and I know my time's getting close. So anyway, make sure you have check out the 30-day food supply video. Everybody's starting to copy this. Thanks a lot, guys. They did this last year, and now everybody with their big channels are copying this. Okay, I don't mind Brad. I like Brad. I know Brad. Brad is okay with Brad, but everybody else in the big name channels, they stole this and they repeat this. Okay, I already did this a year ago. This is the, I think, 10th time I'm repeating this. So that's anyway, 30 days. Please check out that video. Okay, now this is for Ms. Vital Survival out in New York. Sorry about the last video. I know it's scary, but it's possible. If you're on the New Jersey side, you're safe. If not, you're screwed. Okay, try to get Survival Ma from Amazon. It's a really good book. I don't know if they shut down her channel yet. The most dangerous weapon you can have as a survivalist, not a prepper, Uncle Alan's never a prepper, is a notebook and a pen. Two of the most dangerous things in my arsenal. Okay. Now we're doing the first of 7 videos. This is number 1. And I got to go over the basic supplies one more time. Okay, this is additional food. Go check out, that was part 2. I covered everything. And I'll go slowly so you can see all that. Alright, all this you could buy at the grocery store except for the dehydrated eggs. Some big box stores like Walmart will have it, but with this panic going on and people freaking out, it's harder to find. Everybody used to laugh at us, old survivalists and preppers. Okay, and this is basic stuff you go buy at the grocery store. I do like ghee. It's a lot easier than butter. Butter's hard, so. And all this wonderful stuff right here. Yes, Roy, I did cover spices. Okay, everybody got that? Good. Check out 30 extra food. That's number 2. Now, we did cover Survival Mom, the notebook. And then we're going to go to the other books. I do recommend this for Miss Vital by Dave Black. You should read that. This one right here by these folks, you're trying to do a homestead in an urban area. It's very good. It'll explain you on how to get catch basins for rain and stuff. Easy stuff. This is all Prepper 101. Okay. This is from a guy from New York. I trust him. I talked to him too, Anton. And Preparedness Now. Please check out his book. It's a really good book. It's kind of sold out in certain areas. This one's an old one. And it's by Boston Tea Party. I like his previous book. But this runs over the basics, and you have to be really careful because he talked in the old survivalist code, which is really confusing. I'm a little bit tired. Okay, you want to get this one. I think it's by Chris Nebad. It's really good. And it's basic. It has good drawings and understandings and what you do in case of everything, okay? And then this is what I like when you have rats in the windows. That's going to be part 2, but it shows you where to put sandbags at. Okay? You ask, why do you need sandbags in front of a building? To prevent bullets to come into the house? Duh! Okay, a lot of people ask me on this one. Alright, why does Uncle Alan has target size 1/2-inch plates at certain points in his house against the wall? Well, if they're shooting or treeing the town's an old cowboy term where they rode in, start shooting at anything that moved. Alright, that's called treeing the town. Well, a lot of these crazed protesters shot a girl in her house that supported them by treeing the area. They don't know how to use these guns. They just think it's a big noisemaker. And unfortunately, bullets land places and bullets kill people. Okay? Now, root cellaring. If you're a homesteader, this should be top priority. Okay? I tell people this. This is not something to screw around with. Get this book and read it cover to cover. I've seen a lot of places where they have oh, God, Uncle Alan gets a headache and Alan's not feeling well. Uncle Alan's sick as hell. Okay, I seen their root cellar. I told them they're in a desert. It has to be 3 times thicker, and you have to have 4 air channels. They kind of look at me like, huh? You know, I want to punch them, but I'm going sick, and also we have COVID, so I can't go out there explain them with cave drawings. This is a stick. This is drawing on dirt. This is why your root cellar is 95 degrees. There's no covering above, and you don't have any vents. Bring in cool, cold air from the ground. Huh? As they look at me. Worse than drainage, I tell you. Okay? You want to read this. Okay? This is for all you young preppers out there. Have no idea what's going on. Uncle Alan's tired. I do like this guy. This is Hugh McManus. It's an old book and one you want to get. Okay? This is great for camping or backpacking. I would call this Bugging Out 101. It has all the stuff you need for a 3 or 4 day trip. This is like everything went to hell at your bug-in location. Now you have to be on the move and running for your life. I do recommend this book. All right. And it's by and compiled by Larry. I can't pronounce his name, but it's Larry. And it's a basic, simple prepping book. And they do have DVD and video, so you know how old this is. Like I said, Uncle Alan's been around the block, so Uncle Alan's kind of tired. This one's really old too. Okay. Now the last book, before I end this, I got to pull this out of my pile. Second to last, I almost forgot, my friends. This is a very old book by Ken Larson. Okay. Now, trouble with the older books is they're already starting to become out of date. And some of the stuff failed. So you have to take it with a grain of salt and be careful. Uncle Alan's really tired and my head's rocking right now. I do trust this one. And then for you young preppers, you should read this book by Lydia, I think it's Linda King. Okay? Just read this book from front to back and understand what the hell you're doing. Okay? And don't buy cami. Alright? So anyway, this is just step 1. And basic prepper 101. You want to start building a good book library because nothing comes off the phones or tablets or laptop like this. You want to have something good. And I'll catch you later, folks. This is your old pal and clown. And this is first video for Miss Vital.